Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website in just some few minutes. In about 10 minutes, you're going to have a website done. Now this is an AI created website. So this is this whole website was created for us using AI. Now what we did is we gave the AI information and then it produced the website for us. So as you can see, we have a complete professional website over here, completely done for us in some few minutes. Now to start with, we're going to go to a website called 10web.io. So just go to Google and search for 10web.io. The first one over here is what we are looking for. So we're going to click on it, and then you will be directed to the landing page over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on get started for free. Now it will tell us to sign up for it. So we are going to go ahead and then sign up. Okay guys, so over here we have to do some onboarding process or the setup process. So what they're asking is, how would you best describe yourself? So whether a digital agency, a freelancer, or designer, e-commerce blogger, and then what other business. So I'm going to say freelancer developer, freelance developer, and then what designer. So I'm going to click on this one, and then it'll ask you to choose the website menu. How many websites do you want to manage? So I'm going to say maybe 1 to 3. Okay, or it depends on you. You can choose anything. And then what do you want to do? So do you want to create a new website, convert a new website, or migrate a new website, optimize your website? So each other way you can do, or you can also go ahead and then install a blank website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new website with AI. So I want AI to be able to create this new website for me. So I'm going to click on it, and then it will start to ask me some few questions. So the business type. So what business type are you in? So I'm going to say web. So graphic and web, and then I'm going to click on next over here. So I want to choose this one over here. Okay, this is what I want to choose. So I'm going to choose this one and click on next. So the company name, I'm going to say Kitech Digital. Okay, and then you can describe your company, and then I can go ahead and then click on next over here. Now 3 main services or features that you provide. So we do web design, we do digital marketing, and then maybe graphic design. So these are the 3 things that I want to go, and then I can click on next over here. Now they tell you to enter your email address, your company phone number, company address. Now these are optional, you can choose to do or not. Now you choose the tone of the voice of content. Okay, so the content that is going to be on your website, what is the tone? Is it going to be informal or formal? And of course I'm going to make it formal, and then I'll click on finalize. Now we have to wait, and then the AI will generate the whole website for us. So you wait for a few minutes, and then you're gonna as you can see, creating a blank website. It will create everything for you, and then it will pull all the resources and all the information that you need, the pictures, everything, and then it will create a whole website for you.
Thank you.